Take a ride in the 2015 Yukon XL. GMC Yukon XL is a great choice for families who need a full-size SUV with maximum seating. The looks don't hurt either. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, roof rails, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, strut, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, daytime running lights, fog lights, power brakes. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.